YouTube, welcome back guys. So here we have another video or tutorial on how to install this shark fin antenna. This one is for the Lexus 2012 for the CT200h. So should be easy and simple. We're gonna wipe with the alcohol wipe. Let me take out this one real quick. So this one is like a pearl white. It's matched the color of the car, and it is pre-painted already. So it's about $90 shipping and everything with tax. So we're going to remove this antenna stud right here, just by unscrew this counterclockwise. Hold it real quick. So it comes with the screw washer. Well, actually, two different sizes of screws, and this is made in Canada. And you got those copper for the signal string. So we're gonna do a test fit real quick. So we're gonna do some drawing real quick. Make sure it's aligned straight before we put this on. You come with this double-sided tape and alcohol wipes on the prep pads. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So we're gonna stay in the front of the car and make sure it's lined up correctly, not crooked or anything. Just kind of walk around real quick. Check the back real quick. And that has a shadow right there, so it looks like crooked, but it's not. Alright, we're gonna use the masking tape, and then tape a little bit around it and give like a guideline. Alright, so we are using the masking tape to tape around it. So we're gonna clean around the edges with the alcohol. But before you install this, we're gonna do make sure the radio is working correctly with this antenna. So there's this wire. We need to screw onto the hole right there, the screw hole right there. Okay, I'm gonna do a test fit. Test out the radio. So we did the big screw and then screw it on like that, and then testing out the radio, and it works perfectly. So there's no problem at all. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the alcohol, wipe it around before we put it on. So we're using the alcohol pads to cleaning the surrounding area. That way we're gonna put the 3M tape. I don't think that's 3M.
Probably not.
I hope it's not gonna fly out. So after that, we're gonna let it dry, and then you don't want to put that on when the alcohol is still wet, or else it's not gonna stick. Should it go down? What do you want? Just let it down.
You think up a little more, dude?
Huh?
Up a little more.
Dude, so stick it on already. Sure. It's crooked. There you go. Well, let's press it down. You want to look at it first or what? I didn't press it down yet. Yeah, check it out.
Looks good. Yeah, I think that's center.
Alright, so we're gonna press down firmly right now, and then anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.